Hey guys, it's Daniel with Boss C351 Productions. I wanted to talk to you today, kind of a call to action on something I'm preparing for right now. I'm preparing to remove the turbos and the exhaust manifolds off my 2013 F-150 EcoBoost truck. The reason why is because the manifolds on both sides of the engine have warped, and when they warp, they start letting exhaust escape between the block and the manifolds. This, of course, will lead to, somewhat of a power loss, but it also makes a horrible chirping tweeting sound, kind of like an angry tweeting sound from a bird, or a squealing sound, kind of like a banshee. Well, I've been preparing for this, and I've done a little bit of research, and I've seen a lot of people out there have these 3.5 EcoBoost engines, not only in F-150s, but they come in the Flexes, the Ford Transits, and some other Ford automobiles out there. And this is a wide-ranging problem across these automobiles. And Ford, all they have done is released a TSB, or Technical Service Bulletin. They have not made any effort to issue a recall. So what I'm doing is I want to make this video to bring this to the forefront, because I know a lot of EcoBoost owners, look at my videos and they look at my brother's videos. And I just want to say, go on the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's website, NHTSA.gov, or government, and go in there, and if you're having this problem, or if you had this problem before and fixed it, go on there and report a problem on their website. And the reason why I say report a problem is you're not only helping you, you're going to help me, and you're going to help everybody out there that's got these 3.5 EcoBoosts. Yeah, I'm very happy with the truck, the engine, how it performs. I mean, God, this little engine puts out a whole lot of power, and more than you would really expect would be reasonable. But like I said, the only issues I've had with this truck is with these manifolds. Everything else I've done is pretty much been on my own for upgrades. So like I say, you're not only going to help yourself, you'll help me, you'll help other owners that haven't had this problem yet, or you will be aware of this problem, so when it does happen, you can report it. Why report it? Well, if Ford issues a recall, Ford will bring your vehicle in, and they will fix the problem, pay for the problem, and all you'll have to do is just bring it in and pick it up when they're done. Also, I was reading that potentially they will have to reimburse the owners that have already fixed theirs. And that means if you use Ford parts, or if you used, say, aftermarket parts, like I'm going with an aftermarket exhaust manifold to try to avoid this again in the future, they will have to reimburse you your receipts and pay you back for what you've done to fix your own vehicle. So here's what it sounds like whenever I give it, very light to moderate throttle. When accelerating, this is what the tweeting sounds like. So as you can imagine, this does get on your nerves, quite frequently when you're trying to accelerate. Plus, the louder it gets, it kind of gets embarrassing when you kind of, just accelerate, and, you hear that noise coming out of your truck. I don't like it, and I'm sure most of you don't like it either. So again, please go to the NHTSA.gov website and go ahead and report a problem. Help us all out so we can get this problem fixed, and maybe Ford will upgrade the 3.5 EcoBoost in the future to avoid this issue. Now, I do want to mention this just in case you're under the mileage. Emission warranty on your vehicle is 10 years or 80,000 miles. whichever one comes first. Now, when mine started having this problem, I was at about 80,000 miles, but I didn't know about this warranty, and even if I did, if I went to, let's say, a Ford dealership, they were going to deny it anyway because it's at or after 80,000 miles. So if yours is under 80,000 miles and under 10 years, you can take it in and get it done under the emission warranties, because the emission warranty covers the exhaust manifolds. As you can see, mine is at 88,494 miles, so I'm well outside of that warranty period. This is Daniel with Boss C 351 Productions. I appreciate you watching my videos. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again.